My action camera lens has too many scratches and it affect video quality too much. I use the action camera as a webcam to show you how bad of my camera lens. I have two choice. First, I need to go to repair service or I has to fix it without spending too much money. I use all of these equipment for this job. The powder is cerium oxide. Let's start. Pouring water in plastic glass. Stir the ingredients together until the mixture is slightly viscous. Dip the polishing head into the prepared mixture and start polishing the lenses right away. Now, the scratch is completely gone. Clean the camera and prepare to check the camera picture quality. Camera picture quality is good, but it will has a little lens flare because of lens coating wiped out. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you fix the problem you find. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video.